From setbacks to historic victories, Hansle Parchment's journey in the 110-meter hurdles is nothing short of extraordinary. Hansle Parchment's journey in the world of track and field is nothing short of inspiring. Since his breakout performance at the London 2012 Olympics, where he clinched a bronze medal in the 110-meter hurdles, Parchment has faced numerous challenges and setbacks, only to come back stronger each time. Stay tuned as we uncover the incredible story of Jamaica's golden hurdler and his quest for Olympic glory. Jamaica's Hansle Parchment has become one of track and field's most consistent athletes. Since making his breakthrough on the Olympic stage in 2012 in London by taking bronze in the 110-meter hurdles, Parchment has become one of the many athletes that fans enjoy watching. His likable personality, followed by his speed, grit, and determination when clearing those barriers, makes him one of the best hurdlers in the event. Like any other athlete, Hansle Parchment's career is not short of adversity. At the 2013 Moscow World Championship, he was on his way to becoming the second Caribbean man behind Ryan Brathwaite of Barbados to win the 110-meter hurdles at the meet. Parchment pulled up injured in his semi-final and did not advance to the final. But this experience only prepared him for the better, because a year later, at the Meeting de Paris, he was able to create history by running a Jamaican national record of 12.94 seconds to win, making him the first Jamaican man to run under the sub-13 barrier. This national record lasted until 2017 when his countryman Omar McLeod ran 12.90 seconds at the Jamaican National Championship. After the 2014 season, Hansle Parchment went on to create history for Jamaica once more when he copped silver in the 110-meter hurdles at the Beijing World Championship. This was quite an unexpected medal for him because most fans thought his countryman Omar McLeod would have won based on the spectacular season that he was having. This silver medal only served as a confidence booster for Hansle Parchment because he wanted to upgrade his London Olympic bronze medal to a gold a year later at the Rio Olympics. However, injuries occurred once more and he earned a medal exemption from the Jamaican Olympic trials, but he was unable to prove himself fit for the Olympics. At 26 years old, it can be said that Hansle Parchment was at his prime. Still, Hansle Parchment decided to press on and focus on his return to London for the World Championship. He placed third in the 110-meter hurdles at the Jamaican National Championship, made it to the World Championship final, and finished 8th. A year later, he was back to his winning ways when he started off the season by taking silver in the 110-meter hurdles at the Commonwealth Games in Australia. He also took gold in the event at the NACAC Games in Canada. Things were looking a bit brighter for him, but the 2019 season only saw him compete once in the 110-meter hurdles before the Jamaican National Championship. However, due to his lack of races, he eventually placed 4th in the 110-meter hurdles at the Jamaican National Championship and did not make it to the Doha World Championship, which was held in late September. The onset of the coronavirus pandemic saw the Tokyo Olympics being postponed for the 2021 season. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. It really helps our channel. Thank you. Hansle Parchment was one of the many athletes for whom this postponement benefited as he managed to heal himself by doing pool exercises. The main aim for an athlete at their Olympic trials is to make the team and not necessarily to win. At the Jamaican Olympic trials, Hansle Parchment placed 3rd, but this was not sparked without controversy because many fans wanted the reigning Olympic champion Omar McLeod, who placed 8th, to be on the team instead of Parchment. However, Hansle Parchment was planning to shock the world at the Tokyo Olympics. In both his heat and semi-final, he was competing with the favorite Grant Holloway of the United States. Hansle Parchment kept getting closer to Grant Holloway and waited for the final to strike. In the final, Hansle Parchment ran a strategic race from start to finish, followed by a lead at the end for him to become the second Jamaican man to win the 110-meter hurdles at the Olympics and the 4th Caribbean man overall. Since that performance at the Tokyo Olympics, it can be said that Grant Holloway and Hansle Parchment have become rivals who are never afraid to meet, no matter the time of the season. Grant Holloway has won the last 2 World Championships that were offered in Eugene and Budapest. On the other hand, Hansle Parchment earned silver at the Budapest World Championship. Hansle Parchment is on a mission to create history once more as he would like to become the first man since Roger Kingdom of the United States to win 2 consecutive Olympic titles in the 110-meter hurdles. Grant Holloway wants to become the first man since Omar McLeod to win the 60-meter hurdles at the World Indoor Championship, 110-meter hurdles World Championship, and at the Olympics. What do you think? Can Hansle Parchment make history again at the 2024 Paris Olympics? Or will Grant Holloway claim the gold? Will Grant Holloway turn his shiny silver into gold? Or will Rashid Broadbell or Daniel Roberts upset the two main protagonists? One thing we know for sure is that at the Paris Olympics, all these men should be at the line ready to fight for gold in Paris. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics, remember to share this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. We are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.